What up, guys? Welcome back. So today, a budget-friendly projector, retail price only 120 bucks. The Vizony DP04. This is a native 1080p projector with built-in apps that already come preloaded, like Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, Disney Plus. You can use this indoors and outdoors. Retail price 120 bucks. Now there are deals all the time. I will leave all of the links below. You can go check it out. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel to see more videos just like this. So this projector, the packaging, we're going to talk about it. This is what it looks like. A very small form factor on here. We're going to get into all of the specs. The unboxing was very clean, very nice. I've been using this thing for about a month now. Let's talk about it. So simple. Netflix projector, Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video already come pre-installed. You just have to put your info in and you go from there. Very small form factor as you see here. So you're gonna be able to take this with you indoors, outdoors, throw it in a backpack if you're traveling and take it with you. Just bring the remote and the power cable. Now we also get inside of the box power cable. We get an HDMI, we get an AV cable, we get the instruction manual. We also get a cleaning cloth with some basically Q-tips to help clean it. The lens cover that does come on it here, as you can see. If you want to keep dust out of your lens, you're going to want to put that on. Now this lens is rated for 100,000 hours, and if you do have a problem, there is 24/7 support that you can contact for some feedback. We also get this little paper here, causes and solutions of black spots on projector images. Now the actual projector, the branding on the front, your lens on the bottom. We do have some feet to keep it from sliding around. You also have a screw here for a tripod, so you can set this up on a tripod. This is what you are going to use to raise this up and down so you can get it and adjust the height to give you the best viewing experience. 10-watt speakers on here, 6 color temp modes, supports Dolby Digital, Bluetooth 5.2, and Wi-Fi 6, so you can connect speakers or headphones to this if you want. Now on top here, we do have some buttons. We do have the focus here for your autofocus. Well, not autofocus, but for your manual focus. We also have your keystone correction. So we do have 4D and 4P keystone correction on here, and of course our buttons, and we'll go over everything once I show you the remote control and we dig into the settings tab, and I'll show you what it looks like. Now you can use this on the wall. You can use this with the screen. I'm going to show you what it looks like. It looks fantastic on a wall. 250 inches is your display on here. On the back of the projector, we have some ports. And of course, 250 inches is your max display. You can also dial that back and go 50% of that. Now the resolution 1920 by 1080. On the back, we do have some ports, 2 USB-A's, HDMI port. You do have your AV port, and you also have your input for your 3.5 millimeter cable, and that can be used for, well, headphones or some wired speakers. Now, again, like I said earlier, you do have the ability to connect through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth as well. So you can connect wired or wireless audio, but you're not going to be able to connect wired videos to this. So just keep that in mind. Now you're also going to be able to use your iPhone or Android device and just screen share directly to the projector from your device. Overall, very simple. You get a lot bang for buck here when it comes to a projector at this price point. And I've been using it. I'm going to tell you my thoughts at the end of the video if I think it's actually worth the price. Again, 120 is the retail price, and there are deals all the time for it. So let's go check out the settings and see how it looks once it's up and running. Once you turn on the projector, this is what it's going to give you: a giant display, 1080p. I have some light on in the kitchen right now, and it still looks really, really good. So this is, once you set everything up, all of the apps, as you can see, are already pre-installed. You put your info in and enjoy Netflix, enjoy YouTube, whatever you want to do. You can shrink this screen down if you want. We're going to go into settings in a minute. I'm going to turn off a light so you can get an even better look of how good this really looks. Full HD, 1080p. Let me know what you think. Drop some comments below. Now, once we make it even a little darker, check that out. So just an overall really good projector for the price. If I had to complain about one thing, it would be the fan noise, but once you turn up the volume on whatever you're watching, after a minute or two, you're gonna forget all about the fan noise. But like this, when nothing is playing, you can hear the fan noise. I don't know if you guys can hear it now. It's not that bad, but it is noticeable, especially when you first start using the projector. But overall, again, like I said, once you start watching content on here, then you're gonna forget all about the fan noise. And the volume on here is great. It gets very loud enough for any enjoyable movie, sports, whatever you want to do on here. You can watch your favorite content creators. like holler at your boy right here. You can see how good that quality looks. And again, this is not even in total darkness. To the right over there, I do have a light on in the dining room, and the kitchen light just came on right now. And it is still easily just a very good experience watching, even in a room with light coming in. Let me know what you think. Now, if we go back to the home screen and we go into the settings, we're gonna run through the settings really quick. Click on the settings tab, your network and your internet, put in your Wi-Fi password and you're good to go. Your Bluetooth, of course, there is Bluetooth on here. You can connect speakers and just listen to it that way for an even better audio experience. You can connect headphones, wired or wireless. Your picture, this is where your keystone is. You got 4 sides correction, 4 points correction, your image zoom. You have different picture modes you can use. I'm in cinema mode, of course, that's where I'm gonna stay. Now you can change your projection from the front, the rear, or if you wanna mount this on the ceiling, like a lot of people do with their projectors, you can do that too. And if we go back, we have some sound, some different profiles for your sound, movies, sports, whatever you wanna set it to. It's all about preference and what you enjoy and what you like. Your system, you can change the language, you can put it on auto sleep with a timer, your USB auto upgrade for a firmware update. That's pretty much it for the settings. You do have customer support right here inside of the settings. You can go ahead and call that number anytime you want, 24/7 support on here. And we go back and of course, 250 inches of goodness, 1080p. Let me know what you think. So again, this is in a room with light, and once we shut it off, it looks even better. So easily worth the price. This projector is legit for the price. I really don't have anything to complain about. You know, do I wish it was in 4K? Sure. If it was, we would be paying a lot more money for this projector. But 1080p, I still have no problem with it. All right, guys, that about wraps up the video for the Vizony DP04, a native 1080p projector, all the bells and whistles, a huge display, looks good with a little bit of light on or in the dark like most projectors, but overall a solid choice if you are looking to get into the projector market on a budget. Easily worth the 120 bucks. Deals are available every now and then. All of the links are below. Very nice form factor, very small. So throw it in a backpack, take it with you wherever you want to go, take it outside, leave it indoors and enjoy the show. That's it, the Vizony DP04. The link is below. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with more soon. Peace.